Welcome to SinceVision's booth. So today we're demonstrating an application for graphite bolt and quartz bolt positioning alignment. In this application, we're using the laser displacement sensor SD-C. It is the most compact, smallest sized sensor in the product family, and it supports the communication protocol for RS-485, analog and I/O, providing a measurement range for plus 200 millimeter and a repeatability for 500 microns. And instead of traditional plastic covers, this sensor is using glass in the cover instead. So it can prevent the sensor from scratches in the environment. And it can also resist very high temperature in the working environment. So that's today's application, and I'll see you again in next video.